Hi there, I'm Yvonne DeSillis coming to you on my channel, Y Energy. I'm going to do a really quick one. Just wanted to do one more video today while I'm thinking of it. I'm not sure when I'm going to put this one up, but hopefully soon. This is another one. I've done this one once before. This is a quick way to lose lower belly fat. I think it's called the vacuum or the stomach vacuum, and I did it once before, but I don't think I necessarily did it right. So I'm going to warn you in advance, this is going to be uncomfortable, but that's normal. So I'm going to just lower the camera a little bit. I'm going to kind of sink down as I'm doing that, but just so you know, the reason you want to do this, you want to use breathing with this one, and what you want to do is inhale, bring all the air that you can in, and then you're going to exhale and let all of the air out so that your lower belly can sink down. And then when you do the stomach vacuum, you have to suck it in as much as you can so that, let me just lower this a little bit more, my belly button's right here. When you do the stomach vacuum, you should feel it right down here. You should almost feel like a staticky sensation down here. These are the muscles that you should feel the discomfort in the most. So what you want to do is breathe in, and then breathe out. And then you suck in while the oxygen's out. It's hard to do this and talk at the same time, but you breathe in as much as you can, suck it in as much as you can, and you should feel it here and here. Very uncomfortable. It almost feels like pins and needles, almost right here and here. Hold it for as long as you can, and if you want to add to it, as if this isn't enough by itself, slowly turn from side to side while you're keeping your stomach sucked in as much as possible. Stupid computer falling asleep. As much as you can, and then you can let it go, and you can let your belly come back out, and just keep doing that. I'd say maybe 2, 3, 4 times a day. I'm doing this as much as I can. I've been doing this as an experiment. I want to see if I do this every day for 2 or 3 times. I want to see how much of a reduction I get. I have gotten a slight reduction on my lower stomach so far. I've lost weight so far with the apple cider vinegar drinking. I will report back to you guys after a couple of weeks if I notice a difference with this one. But again, it's called the stomach vacuum. Hard to do, and it's very uncomfortable, but it is worth doing. So just wanted to share that one. Hope you guys like that. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Talk to you again soon. Cheers.